Hey guys, Michelle here from Michelle's Party Planet. I'm back with another fun, budget-friendly tutorial for Christmas. Today I'm going to share with you how you can create a stand-up tabletop wooden tree with just a few items from Dollar Tree. So let's get started. For this project you're going to need a drill, and the drill bit needs to be size 7/32. You'll need a LED light set, the little wooden tree, the tower game, a couple of paint brushes, a Sharpie, some paint. I'm using chalk paint and also wood stain. I'm going to use a glue gun for assembling this project, but you could use wood glue at home if you'd like. I think that's all you're going to need, so let's just get into it. We're going to start with the base, and what you're going to need is 9 pieces of the wood game, and we're going to create the structure. So for the bottom, we're going to do 4 across, laying this way, and then we're going to create the area where we're going to insert the base of the tree. So we're going to glue them pretty much like this, and the tree is just going to go standing straight down in the middle there. So we're going to put 3 pieces together, and that's going to be towards the front, and then we're going to put 2 pieces together towards the back, and that will create a gap in the middle. So what we're going to do is just glue this. Center that as much as possible, like that. And then we're going to do the same for this part. The idea is that you're going to go ahead and put this cutout to stand like that. So that'll be the stand for it. Okay? So now that we have that structure created, what we're going to do is go ahead and move on to the wooden sign. You're going to mark where you need to drill. Since there's already a hole here, we'll just start with that. So we're going to make that hole a little bit bigger. And then we're going to mark just really lightly on the ends of the tree. And then for the center, we can put 3 holes in the middle there. Okay? There you can see we have 10 dots. Now you're going to just, using your drill, you're going to drill these holes in each marking. Okay, I've drilled the holes already, and as you can see, these are going to fit perfectly in these holes. We're going to push them from the back once we have it painted, but it's going to go straight in through there. Okay? Okay, now we're ready for paint. So I'm using a chalk paint, so I'm just going to go ahead and add a coat of chalk paint to this really quick. This is just white chalk paint. Okay, so I just applied a rough coat of stain on the base. It's going to take about a good hour to dry, so we'll just wait for that, and then we'll move on to the next step. Okay, so once the paint was dried, what I did is I just got the brush from the stain. It literally just had whatever stain was on there, and I brushed it against the white chalk paint just to create a little bit of an aged rustic look. So I just wiped it across like this, and then I let that dry, and then I hot glued the back of the battery pack of the lights to the back of the sign. You want to make sure when you do that, you make sure that the screw side is facing up so that you can access that battery pack later on. And then now what we're going to do is just go ahead and add these lights and put them inside the holes. Okay, so what I'm going to do is start right here in the center. That's going to be my center point. And then I'm just going to follow the holes all the way around the tree. And that's the back of the sign. And there's the front. Just make sure you can pop it in there right. And so now that the base has dried, all you're going to do is simply just place the tree in the base, just like that. And that's it. Super easy. This cost about $3 out of pocket. It was for the lights, the wood game, and then the Christmas tree cutout. I already had the paint and I had the hot glue, so that was basically all I needed to do. So I hope you like this project. I hope you give it a try. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more of these projects, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you. Talk to you later. Bye.